So, hello everyone, I'm John Paul Munoz. I'm from BSIT 2-2 and now is papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung post system ko or post inventory ko. And now ipapakita ko sa inyo yung nilalaman ng aking system. So, now papakita ko sa inyo ang step by step kung paano muna buksan ang aking system. So, now make sure to open your SAMP and start the Apache and MySQL. So, ayan, naka-start na sila. Then, open your command prompt to open your Composer in Laravel. So, type nyo lang cd and then yung name nung file nyo. So, post system 2 and then PHP artisan serve. Ayan, pag lumabas na yan, it's a signal na pwede na siyang buksan. So, punta tayo dito sa Microsoft. Ito. So, ayan ang dashboard ng aking system. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo yung code. Pero now, i-represent ko muna sa inyo yung aking system. So now, this is the post system or the post inventory system. So now, if you're new user, you may register. So register. What's your name? So name John Paul. Email address 1, 2, 3 gmail.com. Make sure na tama yung email address nyo kasi kailangan ninyo yun mamaya. Then password JP Munoz. So, ayan, nakapag-register na tayo. It is na homepage ko. So, this one is the homepage of my PS system. So, may mili ka dyan. There is a dashboard, product, sales report, users, audit trail, view profile. So, unang-una, let's go to products. Itong mga products na to is nilagay ko kanina. So, meron tayong iced tea and then the price niya is 20.70 and there is a price tax expiry. So if you want to add a product, just product name and RC or Coke na lang, Coke SKU 5 and then kung how many stock you have. So I have 5 stock. Capital price is, how much is the capital? I think 30. If pag nilagay nyo ang capital price nyo dito, it is automatically mag-a-add ng 15% sa selling price. So ang capital price natin is 30 and your selling price is 34.5. So maglalagay tayo ng expiry date. Halimbawa lang to kahit ano lang yan. So ayan, expiry date. Pwede ka maglagay ng product image, pero for now hindi ko muna ilalagay since hindi ako nakapaghanda for Coke na picture. So save product. Pagka-save mo ng product, malalagay yan dyan sa all product. So ayan na, Coke, andyan lahat. So okay, let's go to buying. So, logout muna natin. Punta tayo dito sa post terminal, which is your cashier. So, ito makikita nyo lahat dyan. So, bili tayo ng Coke. Select natin ng Coke. Ilan bibili nyo? Dalawang Coke. 2 pansit canton. And then, 2 hotdog. Ayan. As you can see, makikita nyo sa total price nila na andyan na lahat. So, total natin is 144. So, 144 ang total price natin. There is amount given. Kunwari, magbibigay ka ng 150 since 144 naman yung singles ay yung total price nyo. May papakita dyan na change. This is the change. 510. That's your change. And if you're going to check out na, okay, may lalabas dyan na resibo. Your receipt pa. Ayan, makikita nyo yung Coke, dalawang canton, dalawang hotdog. Yung cash na nilagay nyo. And then the change. Okay. And yeah, that's all. So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. So, maglalagin ulit tayo. Ayan. Pagkalagin natin, hahanapin natin yung sales report. So, mag-audit ka na, hanapin mo yung sales report. So, ayan. Ilan ba nabiling iced tea sa'yo? So, 4 na iced tea. Dito nyo makikita kung gaano kabilis or kung sino ang pinakamabenta. So, candy. 5 na binili ang candy. Canton, 9 na canton. 2 Coke. And 7 na hotdog. So, kung kailan ba nag-transaction, ito. Meron date, total amount, and items. Na kung kailan ba binili itong mga to. So, ayan. Makikita nyo dyan. The transaction. And for the daily sales, ito. Kada araw na sales to. Ayan. Makikita nyo dyan. So, September 26 now. 2 orders. Ayan. So, for the inventory, open the product inventory. Ayan. Diyan makikita kung ilan na lang ang stocks mo. Ayan. And then, dito sa inventory overview, makikita dyan ang kung sino abang ang mababa ng stocks, out of stocks, and expiring soon. So, ito yung product inventory mo. Ayan na lang ang natitira sa stocks, and kung kailan yung expiring date, at kung magkano benta mo sa kanila. So, kung ano ba ang fast moving na which is the canton, kasi total sold is 9. Mabilis siya mabenta, malakas yung benta niya. And it has a low stocks na lang, it only has 1 stock na lang. So, kung kailan sila mag-expired, ayan, makikita nyo dyan. Kung sino ang mga users, dyan makikita nyo. Kung sino ang mga users. And then, for the audit, ayan, kung sino yung mga nag-log in and nag-log out. So, for the dashboard, ito ang sales natin for the last 30 days. Na makikita nyo dyan lahat. And, ayun. And that's all for my POS inventory system. Thank you. Bye-bye.